Do you want to make a kinetic typography like this? This is so easy. Now let's make it in Canva. Open a project and then go to text. Scroll down. Choose motion text. And then choose this one, catch the wave. And then type the text. Scroll down if you want to change the color. I will change it to orange. You can also change the outline and the outline weight. Okay, I will make it 0. And then the extrude color, also you can change it. Just click it. I will keep it like this. And you can also change the animation style. Just click here or here. Wave vertical. I will choose wave vertical. There are some other option here. All right, and you can also change the amplitude. You can see here higher and lower. I will keep it 20. And then the frequency, like that. I will make it, I will keep it 0.4. And also the speed. I will make it just 4. Okay, and then add to design when it finishes. Now I will increase the size. Go to element and then I will use this animation, young woman jogging with headphones on. All right. I'll put it here and I will send it to that. All right. And then you can click share, download as MP4 and click download. So now you have it. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.